Hey guys, this is Richard from Welshie Tech. Look like I've got something new to show you. I'm awfully excited about this. This is something for my personal computer, which is there. Oh. Ooh. Oh yes. This is 16 gigs of Vengeance White LPX RAM. I bought something new for myself, which, believe it or not, this was £55 on eBay, brand new. As you can see, it's brand new. Look, even the seal is still there. See the seal? It's still there, look. So I'm going to break the seal for you. Oh, look at those. Wow. Oh, look, there's a peel. There's a peel. Focus. Here it is. Oh, that was lovely. Right, well, that's Welshie. That's Richard from Welshie Tech. Me showing you what I just bought. 3000 megahertz. Okay, bye.